Hi, you like my chicken? This is Chicken Piccata. I am going to cook for you. If you like, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start cooking chicken piccata. We cut in middle of chicken breast, make it thinner so it cook faster and juicy. Pounded it nicely. When you practice, you will make it perfect. You can cut this breast into two also. Season with salt and pepper from both the sides. Nicely. Now we have a seasoned flour, salt and pepper. You have to coat the flour from both the sides of your chicken breast nicely. Now take one egg, beat it nicely so we can use this batter to coat breadcrumbs. Season breadcrumb with the chili flakes, parsley, salt and pepper. Mix it nicely and then dip chicken breast in a beaten egg and crumb it. Put the crumb nicely, press it. Heat the pan, add oil and butter together. When butter melt, add your crumbed chicken breast and cook till you get a golden brown color from both the sides. So check it. This is the color. Beautiful. Now your one side is cooked, just check it other side, and that's also is a beautiful color. Keep it side. We'll make a sauce in the same pan. Add chicken broth, white wine, lemon juice along with the capers. Recipe in the description. Cook chicken. Pour your sauce on top also. So chicken breast get a completely juicy and strong. Check the temperature. It should be 165 degree Fahrenheit above. Change the side. Cook other side. Add little cream and put sauce on top. Chicken is cooked. Put fresh parsley on top of this. Oh my God, what a beautiful dish looking. And this goes hot. Super. This I am serving with broccoli, zucchini and onion roasted. You serve as you like. It's your choice, whatever you like. But make chicken piccata my style. This is the dish. What a dish looking. Hi friends, thank you for watching this video. I hope the way I teach you how to make chicken piccata, you'll like it. If you like, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Motivate me. See you on next Saturday, same time with another dish. Bye.